If you want to reverse up to 10 years of aging while you sleep, then today's videos is for you. Aging accelerates when our body loses its ability to repair itself while we sleep. But the good news is that you can switch back this repair system easily. This is where I am sharing with you this 1 cup natural drink that you consume at bedtime that slows down aging of your skin and your body, improves the repair process of your body so you have more energy and better mental clarity. And all this happens while you are sleeping because this drink works overnight in your body. So stay with me till the end of the video because I am going to show you exactly how to prepare this drink and the best way to consume it so you can start your anti-aging process today itself. Hi, I'm Dr. Anshul Gupta, a former Cleveland Clinic functional medicine physician from US. I help people improve their chronic diseases by making personalized functional medicine plans. Now, research shows that after the age of 30, our body starts showing signs of aging. And it is not because it is in our genes or because our body is getting weak. The main reason our body starts aging at a faster rate is that our body's repair system becomes inefficient, and that leads to aging of our body. Why this happens? Because our growth hormone starts dropping. Our melatonin levels, which is our deep sleep hormone, also starts dropping. Also, our body's ability to make collagen also starts decreasing. That's the reason you might start noticing that your skin is becoming more dull and maybe you are seeing some early wrinkles. Your deep sleep becomes shorter, and that's the reason you have less production of growth hormone, and that significantly impacts your repair process. Plus, your metabolism decreases and you have more hormonal dysfunctions. Plus, there is higher cellular inflammation in the body. So these are all the reasons that our body starts aging at a quicker pace. And a lot of people are using expensive facial serums or supplements or expensive facial treatments. But most of the time, those are inefficient. And the key important thing over here is actually restoring the homeostasis in your body by using natural ingredients which rebalances your hormone, improves your collagen production, reduces inflammation in your body, so your body's repair system improves and your body starts feeling better again. So that's where I have prepared this specific bedtime tea, which has ingredients which are supported by research that works on different pathways of aging and can help you in rejuvenate your body in all natural ways. Let me first share with you the ingredients of this drink and how they exactly start your anti-aging process. The very first ingredient over here is nutmeg. Now, nutmeg is used world over for various health benefits. Some people use it as a spice for baking or even adding to their warm dishes. But what they don't know is that this nutmeg has natural powers of increasing your body's melatonin production, and also it improves the growth hormone production in your body, plus helps your body in going into the deep sleep mode. So this is what happens when you consume nutmeg before bedtime. You see your melatonin increasing, and you also will feel that your body is going into a higher deep sleep mode. This is the time where your body starts producing more growth hormone. This growth hormone helps in collagen production, which improves your skin health and skin glow. Plus, it also improves the repair process of our cells, thereby reducing inflammation in those cells. Now, let's say you do not have access to nutmeg. Then an alternate ingredient over here can be cinnamon. Cinnamon has very similar properties because it helps improve insulin sensitivity. It also has polyphenols which reduces inflammation in your body. Plus, it again helps your body in going into the deep sleep mode. So the first preference is nutmeg, but if you don't have it, then cinnamon is an alternative that you can use. The second ingredient over here is saffron. Now, saffron research studies show that it has very high antioxidant anti-inflammatory properties. Research has shown that saffron protects your mitochondria, and recent aging research shows that destruction of mitochondria is a primary reason of aging. So by protecting your mitochondria, saffron slows down aging. Also, saffron activates something called BDNF in your brains, which improves your memory as well as your mental clarity. Plus, saffron also improves the production of skin collagen, thereby improving your skin health also. The third ingredient over here is using either almond almond milk or coconut milk. Both of these milks have high amount of tryptophan as well as glycine in them. Both of these compounds again help in improving our sleep quality. They improves our metabolism overnight for us as well as help our body in rebalancing hormones while we sleep. Plus they also help support our adrenals by lowering cortisol. So together all of these three ingredients improves our deep sleep, which improves growth hormone production. It improves our mood as well as our memory. It reduces brain inflammation, so you have mental clarity. Plus it improves collagen production, so you will have better skin glow. If you want to supercharge this drink, then you can add half a teaspoon of ashwagandha powder. Ashwagandha powder for most of the people will improve their adrenal glands, reduce inflammation in their body, as well as will also improve your energy levels. So this is an optional thing that you can add. Now let me share with you exactly how to prepare this drink and how to consume it. So for this you need 1 cup of either almond milk or coconut milk, and then you warm the milk slightly. Do not boil it but just warm it. When the milk is warm, you add 2 to 3 strands of saffron into it, and then after that you add a pinch of nutmeg powder. Do not add a lot of nutmeg powder because that can give you some stomach upset. And as I said, if you do not have a nutmeg powder, the alternate will be cinnamon powder, only 1/4 teaspoon only. And then you let it sit for 4 to 5 minutes. So all of the antioxidant, anti-inflammatory compounds from saffron and nutmeg gets absorbed into the milk. And then as an optional content, if you want to add your half a teaspoon of ashwagandha powder, you can add it, and then you can drink it slowly in the next 4 to 5 minutes. Make sure you drink it 30 to 45 minutes before bedtime, because the ingredients of this drink needs to be absorbed in your system and starts working better, and it takes approximately 30 minutes for them to start working in your body. Now there are some other additional things that you can do before bedtime that is going to boost how this drink is going to work in your body. First is taking magnesium glycinate supplement with this drink. Magnesium takes part in more than 300 enzymatic reactions, and a lot of these enzymatic reactions are responsible for aging in our body, and most of us are deficient in magnesium. So taking this magnesium supplement will boost your anti-aging benefits. This is where I've created a magnesium supplement. The link will be in the description if you want to buy it. Along with magnesium, make sure you're switching off all the screens 60 minutes before your bedtime. That blue light from the screens interferes with your melatonin production as well as increases inflammation in your body while you sleep. So by switching off those blue light screens, you are going to boost your anti-aging benefits. Plus, try to have an anti-inflammatory diet, especially for your dinners, and do not eat heavy dinners. So today I shared with you a simple 1 cup drink that has ingredients backed by science, which can help in rejuvenating your skin, your body, as well as stop the aging process, so you can slow it down and improve the quality of life by improving your energy, your mental clarity. Your joint pain will better, as well as you will see an improvement in your mood. Try this drink for the next couple of weeks and you will start noticing that your quality of sleep is improved. You will also notice that your mood is more stable and you are waking up in the morning feeling more fresh. So I hope you like this video. If you do, please like and subscribe to my channel so you keep on getting this great information in the future also. Also share this information with others who can benefit from it. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.